muna pag may time. Nagugutom na ako. Sobra. Hindi ako nag-breakfast. Isang saging lang. Kasi kainan yung pupuntahan ko. Ay, hingal march. Teka lang. Nahabol muna ako sa bus.
A few inches later.
Palit ng location. Marina Bay na lang daw. Marina Square daw. Kaya ito, umabol ako kasi wala na sila. Fully booked daw ang Seoul Garden. So, we'll see. We'll see if I can find them. Super duper. This is Miniso. Oh, Miniso is a Korean shop there. Oh, okay. I think I have to check that out later. And if you're going to the Esplanade, this is the what's this? Shortcut as well. Let me just show it to you. So, dito yung muna tayo sa lift. Ay, sa escalator. 12:15 na. So, ayan, dito lang sa Marina Square. Bongga. Lakas siya ng Raffles at saka ng Marina Square. Bongga. I like it here na. Trust. So, level 3 daw sila. Hindi naman niya sinabi sa akin kung anong pangalan ng shop or ng dining, ng restaurant. Then, ayun. Well, I guess I'm on the right place, though. I just need to know where are maybe Burger King. Yes. Sige, hanapin ko muna sila. There you go. I got my time lapse done. Hanap ako ulit sa kanila. They haven't found a place. So, we'll just keep searching. They're searching for a place and I'm searching for them. Yeah! Welcome to my channel. My name is Aileen. So, siyempre nag-intro ko habang wala sila. Dito ako sa Sandra. Tada! So, yan. Vlog-vlog muna. Pero kami, lapak muna. Kaya mamaya na ulit. Liwanag. Sakit na. Sakit na ako mag-vlog. Sana hindi ako nakikita dito. Kita ba ako? Ano? Wow, huwag mong pakita yung mukha. We're kind of feeling fancy today. Kaya yun, pa-steak ang mga lola. Oh, picture pa more. Yum. Hindi ko alam. Bakit anong meron? Oo, iba-iba yung ano niya. Flavor chenes. So, sige, kain muna ulit.
A few inches later.
Pahinga-pahinga muna pag may time nyo. Oh, isang bagsak. Hi, Sab! Hi! Hi, Sandra! Hello! Hi, Belle! Hello, sis! Hello, bagong salsa. Oh, sis! Yeah, she's a new member of the gang. So, mamaya will post her channel in the link in the description box below. Ano ba yun? Nalito na, busog na eh. So, yun. Hindi na makausap na maayos ngayon. Correct. Busog. Tama, busog na. Nakatumupa kami. Correct. Kanina mukha kang garden. Let me just show you what we have right here. We have salad, the salad bar. Ta-da! Let us all types of Ay, Shay!
Hindi ba kasi pinakaiba kasi
Kate, wait, ano?
sa...
Ay, wait, sorry.
Wala ka naman sombrero eh, hindi maganda.
Yeah, dito kami going to Esplanade. I already posted, I featured this in one of my vlogs. In here, you can actually take photos until you draw. So, wala siya entrance fee unless you guys will go ahead and watch some drama or play inside the park. By the way, I got this times 2 Korean hot noodles that I'm gonna bring it to the Philippines and I'll do the challenge with my nephews. Exciting! We're here at the Esplanade Concert Hall. May pa-concert si Mayor, so diretso muna kami doon sa loob. Yung mga kasama ko teacher, si Sandra and si Sis. We'll post her channel in the description box below. I hope you subscribe to her. Si Sabrina and si Belle. Yan! Here's the vlog squad!
Yung may babae yung tis, ganda oh.
Balisaw-saw yan. 1, 2, 3.
Kaya nga eh.
Standby. Posing. Mag-selfie din sana ako eh, kaya lang kasi yung telepono ko hindi rin isama eh. Namatay na naman. Pinatayan ako ng cellphone. So, oh, happy na? Happy na daw sila. Hi guys, we're here at the Esplanade and here you can take photo outside for free. You don't need to pay entrance. So, but you just need to take the shots outside the Durian Shake Theater. This is just like what I have mentioned in my previous vlog. Kaya ate. Ay, nahulog ang pagko.
Kala ko nabatid talaga.
Walang tibay na maaasahan.
Natatangga.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa loob ng City Link and bibili sila ng Gareth. Wait lang. Yun, so ayun na si Sap and si Elena. Bibili sila ng popcorn. Masarap itong popcorn na to, kaya lang matamis masyado, kaya hindi ko siya masyado ulit. Masarap siyang ipasalubong sa Pilipinas sa mga bata, mga ganyan. Yan, uwian time. It's almost over. Si Sandra, ayun. Ito, si sister. Bago sa ating family, welcome to the vlog sis. Siyempre nakatalikod siya, no? Hi guys! So, I'm here now at Amokyo House and currently waiting for my husband because we're going to buy something from NTUC and nagpalit ako ng damit. Yung t-shirt kasi sobrang pawis. Yun, hintayin ko lang si husband dito and then we'll update you later. So, just in case I cannot end this vlog, please give this vlog a thumbs up. I hope to see the girls again next time, maybe in June, palating ng bakasyon ni Sandra, or after ng bakasyon ni Sandra, and after my vacation as well. So, until then, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit thumbs up. Bye!